Hello and welcome to the second video, part 2 of our Fairhaven renovation series. I'm Suzanne with the marketing department and I'm going to take you around the building today and show you what has been going on in the last 2 months since I posted the last video. There's a lot of temporary construction walls that have gone up. The void opening in the ceiling between the first and second floor has been closed, and there has been some framing of the walls so you can get a general idea, a little bit more of what is exactly going to be happening. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to walk around and show you guys what has been happening here in Fairhaven. So notably, when you walk in the front door, you can see that the reception desk has been removed. The glass wall that used to be up has been removed. This desk that you see right here was actually the check writing desk that was on the other side of that wall that is there now. We moved it to the front so that members could have a place to fill out their deposit slips, get their transactions in order before they head over to the teller line. At the filming of this video, our lobbies are open by appointment only, but our drive-ups are open normal business hours. But our teller line is still to the left, and member service, where you open accounts, apply for loans, is still off to the right. This temporary wall is just to contain dust and noise as we try and conduct business during the renovations of the Fairhaven office. So as we come around this way, you'll see that the offices and cubicles on this side are still in place and intact and being used. You can see the temporary construction wall goes all the way down this side with a door now in place down there, again to contain dust and noise. Member service area is still here by appointment. But here's where there are a lot of changes. Where you previously could see across to the teller line, you still can for the most part, but the opening that used to be here is now all closed in. So you can no longer see up to the second floor. So this has probably been the biggest change that has taken the most time over the last 2 months. You can see here that they've started framing out the walls and the doorways. Kind of hard to quite show you exactly the front to back of where the branch will be. I hope the camera picks up this circular drawn line that's here. There is going to be a curved wall in the branch area now, and these walls here that you see are all temporary, and you'll be able to see from the teller line straight through to the front door, and the front door is directly in front of me through these temporary walls. Like I mentioned, the teller line is still currently where it is, and then you can see there's been a lot of framing done, obviously a lot of truss work, and you can really start seeing where doorways are going to be, where closets are being framed out. No offices are being worked on down here. This space here is going to be all cubicles, but this is just a look at what's been going on. Obviously electrical work has been happening. You'll see in another part of the building that there has been a lot of HVAC work being done, a lot of new drywall going up. A lot of this area that I'm walking through right now is not going to be completed until the end of phase 2. As I mentioned in my first video, this construction renovation is going to be taking place in 2 phases. This is phase 1. To give you some perspective, this doorway that I'm walking towards right now, where the employees come in, you previously had been able to see from the rear of the building all the way to the front, and that has changed. We will not be able to look back to front anymore. There's been quite a few changes, and quite a few things that are still here. A lot of the pink trim and doors are here. The carpet obviously has yet to be changed out. This used to be actually my office, and as you can see, some work's been done in here. Some HVAC, looks like some plumbing, looks like some electrical. I'm not a contractor, not 100% sure but a lot of work has been done. And then here we are back on the other side of the teller line. In just a minute, I am going to take you upstairs and give you an overview of what is happening on the second floor. Okay, so I'm back over by the elevator, and you can see, yes, we still do have some of our holiday decorations up, but if you remember from a previous video that this used to be somebody's cubicle space, and they carved it down, and now it's just kind of a spot for a copier, printer, fax. Sometimes we can work out of here if we need to come into Fairhaven. There's a few of us working remote because of all the renovations that are going on. A lot of plastic put up to help with the dust. And you can see this hallway just leads down to areas that have not been renovated yet. Our current boardroom, which has become somebody's temporary office, as well as storage. And then down here we have an area that will be part of phase 2.
So I'm not quite sure what happened to my videos, but I filmed a little bit more of the second floor, and I also took some photos, so I'm inserting them here so you have an idea of some of the other spaces that are being renovated.
I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more videos and pictures posted to our website and YouTube channel in the weeks and days to come. There is a rendering available in the Fairhaven branch. It's also on our website, and I will be posting it at the end of this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.